The connection between energy and water is really, for most people, a very hidden connection. We see the water coming out of our taps and the electricity coming out of our sockets, but don't necessarily tie the two together. But we need tremendous amounts of water in order to generate all of the electricity that we use today. Most of our power plants use coal or natural gas or nuclear fuels to heat water and generate steam. That steam turns a turbine, and the turbine generates electricity. Then our power plants use water usually to cool and condense that steam so that it can be reused. The ties between energy and water become even more apparent in times of drought. So in Texas in 2011, the state saw one of the worst droughts on history, certainly the worst one-year drought the state had ever seen. And that affected everybody. It affected farmers, it affected cities, and it affected power plants in ways that we haven't seen happen before. Many of the power plants had really low cooling water reservoirs. Some of the power plants, their cooling water reservoirs dropped so low that they couldn't operate. The drought also had impacts on customers. Electricity prices skyrocketed in August of 2011 when the drought was at its peak and air conditioning and electricity demands were highest. And there were some customers that didn't receive all the power that they wanted. I think one of the most important things that Western states and Western utilities can do is continue investing in renewable sources of energy and energy efficiency. Many forms of renewables like wind power and solar PV panels use no water at all to generate electricity. Energy efficiency saves energy and often saves water too.